Hi guys, this is Sadik from wherein.com. So recently many have said that as soon as they install the latest Windows 11 22H2 update, the remote desktop is no longer working on their PC. Either it refuses to open, or if it's open, then it makes the PC non-responsive. So if you're also getting bugged with this issue, then in this video we will show you 3 methods to fix this. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll have to turn off the UDP network protocol. For that, go to Start menu, search Registry Editor, and then open it. After that, you will have to head over to the following location. The link is given in the description as well. This is the complete address. I have given the link of this guide in the description. You can go and then copy this path and simply paste it in the registry editor. As soon as you paste it, make sure you are under the client folder. As you could see from the left hand side of the screen, I'm on the client. Now right click on the client folder and select new. Then choose revert 32-bit value. Now you will have to name this file as fclient disable ud. So let's copy it, select this, right click, rename and name it fclient disable ud. Then double click to open it and change its value data to 1 and hit OK to save it. Now restart your PC and check if remote desktop is working or not. If it is still not working, then let's move over to our next fix. So our next course of action involves turning off the UDP on client policy. For this, we will be using the group policy. Now, by default, it is enabled on every Windows version except for Windows Home. So if you are on Windows Home, then you will first have to enable the group policy. For that, I've given the link in the description. All you have to do is download this batch file. In this batch file, there is just a few commands that I have compiled. So this is the batch file. You just need to run it. Let me show you the contents of this batch file. Just a minute. So show more options, and as you could see, the batch file only has 3 to 4 commands from the Microsoft servicing packages. It will download all these packages and then the group policy will be enabled on your PC. On the other hand, if you are on any other Windows version apart from Windows Home, then it will be already enabled on your PC. So open run via Windows R, type in gpedit.msc and click OK. This will launch the group policy editor. Now from here, you'll have to select computer configuration, then go to administrative templates. After that, head over to Windows component remote desktop service. So Windows component, then remote desktop service. Now you will have to select the remote desktop connection client. So select remote desktop connection client and go to the right hand side. After that, you will have to select the turn off UDP on client and open this policy. Once this policy is enabled, now select disable from the list and click apply and OK. Once that is done, you will need to restart your PC and check if remote desktop is working or not. If it is still not working, then your last course of action is to downgrade to Windows 11 21H2 version. That is the earliest stable build. For that, first and foremost, you will have to take a backup of your PC. Once the backup is complete, open the settings menu via Windows I, then go to the system, scroll to the bottom and go to recovery, then click on go back, and it will now start the process. So you will now have to select the region. As you could see, yes, select the region from this list and then click on next and proceed with the on-screen instruction. Your PC will then downgrade to version 2221H2, and as soon as the downgrade is complete, the issue should be fixed. So guys, these were the 3 methods to fix the issue of remote desktop not working on Windows 11. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.